Okay, I'm going to run the compressor. I've got a little compressor here with just 20 psi going to it, going to the outlet. I'm going to hook up the world's most dangerous woodworking shop. Here we go. Pretty cool. So yeah, the guy on the left holding a log over a giant circular saw. And the log's spinning in his hands, so his hands must be getting hot. The other guy he's on the opposite side of a machine-operated bow saw. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? They're not having much progress anyway. This thing's probably close to 100 years old, and they hadn't even made a scratch in that stuff. But anyway, it's fun. All fun. Neat little engine. Neat action. Cool German toy. Yeah, that's it.